how's it going? I hope you're having a fantastic, blessed day. First and foremost, I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to check out this short video. Now, if you came across this video, then you're probably interested in learning more about the weekly cash flow machine, how you can make unlimited cash every Friday. Well, before I get to that subject, I'd like to give you a little quick overview of my story so that we're not complete strangers. Sound good? Alright, so my name is Daniel Rodriguez. I'm from San Diego, California, and prior to this industry, I was a part-time student, single dad working 3 jobs. Now, it's a nightmare just thinking about it, because I used to wake up 4 in the morning, right? Hit the first shift from 6 until 2, then go back at it again from 4 until 12. And I was doing the same repetitive routine. I'd wake up, go to work, and pay the bills. And I literally did not have time to do what I love, nor spend time with my family. And it seemed like the more I saved up, the more I got in debt. And I was just sick and tired of being sick and tired and broke, and having my boss me around, telling me what to do and when to take my break. So I decided to look around and find a solution. Plus my mentor once told me you gotta do things differently to get different results. So I did that. And I knew I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, be my own boss, and most importantly, have financial freedom for me and my family. And I knew starting my own online business would be a great way to start. Now, what really caught my attention was I would see these online marketers generating profits over the internet like crazy, living the lifestyle that I always dreamt about. But I was skeptical, so I decided to do my research, and I actually got involved in a couple online business opportunities. And I failed miserably. I did not see no results whatsoever. And after trying numerous companies out there, I was blessed and fortunate enough to come across an amazing opportunity that drastically changed my life. And within my first couple weeks, I had massive success. I was able to walk away from my 3 jobs, make this my full-time, and at the same time be a full-time dad working from home, which is a blessing. But enough about me. I'm here to help you and share with you this life-changing opportunity with you, and hopefully make a difference for you. I mean, I'm just an average guy who used to work at McDonald's, and on top of that, I have a learning disability. So if I can do this, you can do this as well. Ain't no doubt about that. I mean, I've never been this excited in my life before, and honestly, I don't want to spoil a surprise or anything, so I'm gonna have you do 3 things right now. First thing is go down below, fill out a good email address where you can be reached at. I'm going to be sending you a presentation video that's going to explain what the company is, how we get paid, and the amazing benefits that you'll receive. And heck, I'll even throw in a free training bonus as well for you. That'd be my gift to you. Number 2 is if you're not friends with me on Facebook yet, go ahead and send me a friend request and follow me. I'll be personally coaching you and helping you launch your business effectively. And if you have any other additional questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Number 3 is share the link down below with 5 other like-minded individuals like yourself that are looking to make money from home. I want to bless as many people as I can this year in 2016. But let me ask you this. Are you honestly content working at your 9 to 5? Don't you feel like you want more out of life for you and your family? Don't you want to travel more? Then let's lock arms and take affirmative action, because if you miss out, you're going to miss out on this opportunity that could have potentially changed your life. And we both know that there's 3 types of people in this world. People that make things happen, people that watch things happen, and people that say, what just happened? Which one are you? With that said, thank you for your time, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Peace.